GRAP restrictions are on, but your power doesn't have to go off. Jakson Gensets with Cummins Engines, CPCB IV+ and GRAP compliant, lower emissions, fuel-efficient performance and reliable power backup for critical operations. From hospitals to manufacturing units, stay compliant with emission norms while keeping your business running. Don't let restrictions stop your operations. Choose Jakson. Clean power, compliant performance.